Coming up in this video, I'm going back to the vodka and I've got Absolut Pears for you today. This is kind of a pear and ginger highball. So tasty, so easy. Stay tuned. Hey drinks fans, I am Steve the Barman and I hope these videos help you drink, serve and enjoy your favourite spirits even more. Right, Absolut Pears, haven't had this for donkey's years. So tasty, even, take the lid off and pears just coming back. Pear is one of my favourite fruits, absolutely love it, much better than apples. Right, let's dive into this cocktail. It's going to be a highball cocktail, so we're going to serve it up in there. We're going to make it in a cocktail shaker. Why break a habit of a lifetime? Right, 50ml double bubble of your Absolut Pears. Next ingredient, I actually did a cocktail with this a few days ago. We are going for, where's it gone? I've lost it. There we go. We are going for Kings Ginger Liqueur, really strong, vibrant liqueur, 41% ABV. Oh, lovely jubbly. I just want 15ml, 15. Amazing. Right, a couple more ingredients. First of which is some freshly squeezed lemon juice. I'm just going for 20ml, 20. And then the final ingredient is some sugar. You could go, if you haven't got a ginger liqueur, you could go for a ginger syrup or something like that. Because I've got a ginger liqueur though, I'm just going plain sugar and I want 10ml. 10ml of just normal sugar. Right, there we go. Right, we just need to ice that up and shake it down. There is one more ingredient to come after the shake. While I'm doing that, you know what's coming, don't you? You know what's coming. Give it a name, please. Suggestions in the comments box below. Come up with some great names. It's kind of like Pear and Ginger. Absolut Pears. Let's have a play on word with that. Pair off something. I'm terrible at naming cocktails, but you know what the crack is. All my recipes go into my updated cocktail book, which you can get if you're a Patreon member. The free version is always available to download in any of my videos. Just look out in the comments and you'll see that the link for that there. But the updated version is an exclusive perk of Patreon. Go and check that out. Loads more exclusive content in there as well. Weekly serve suggestions. Learn with me. Learn with STB. My online courses are kind of in there as well. Go and check it out. Right. Hard and fast shake. 10-12 seconds. Boom. Right. Oh, pear and ginger. Pear and ginger. So good. Right. Final ingredient. I'm going for some ginger ale. Again, doesn't matter what brand of ginger ale. I actually normally go Canada Dry because that's normally what I've got. But when I was having this big old bar refurb, I actually found a few bottles of Fever Tree lying around. So just want 75ml of Fever Tree ginger ale, and I'm going to pour it straight into my cocktail shaker so I don't have to give it a stir once it's in the glass. 50 and 25. Right, perfect. Right, just going to single strain this into a highball glass. Lovely jubbly. And then I'm just going to top that up with some fresh ice. And then to garnish, I did have, I forgot to get some pears. I was going to do a nice sort of little pear fan. I haven't done one for ages. So I've just got a sprig of mint here, just to garnish. Mint, ginger, always works a treat. And there we have it. Popping up on screen now will be more Absolut vodka cocktails for you to try. What's this like? Oh, that really comes through with that lovely ginger.